Shiva's no chinta, no vikshepa. No chinta, no vikshepa, no disturbance, no distraction from his meditation. Because his Ishtadeva is Sankarshan. Mahadev Shiva worships Vishnu in the form of Sankarshan, Mul Sankarshan. And he chants one mantra, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Ram. No disturbance. Naturally, this is my Shakti. But he was disturbed by this Purusha. What is this Purusha doing here? Purusha means man, enjoyer, man. My wife is doing this intimate puja. Husband and wives are to be together alone, not with some other stranger coming in the room. Right? So what's he doing? Hiding behind a tree like peeping Tom. You know, we have that phrase, peeping. Someone hides and sees some lady. Somebody's hiding in an apartment across the way and watches a lady in the other apartment on the other alley changing her clothes because he's a lusty person. That's called voyeurism, or in English the word is called voyeurism. Peeping Tom, staring at some other person. So he was disturbed, he was angry. So then his eye of meditation, he's Trilochan, Shiva's Trilochan. So his third eye is Agya Chakra. It's Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra, the sixth chakra, then Sahasrapadma. So the sixth chakra, Agya Chakra, the meditative chakra. This is Trilochan, the third eye. So his meditation was broken by this intruder, not by Parvati. So then he got angry, disturbing my meditation from Vishnu. Naturally, when you're doing puja, if somebody disturbs you, and you're doing arti and your son comes, Daddy, hey, shut up. And you call your wife, hey, get this kid out of here. Trying to bathe the deity. Daddy, shut up. It's like that, So he's doing his smar in this meditation. So then he burned Cupid ashes, and he became famous as Kameshwara. And this famous Dwarasavan Vrindavan, Kaman, they call it Kaman or Kamban. Kameshwar Mahadeva ki jai. Brajmandal me Pancha Mahadeva ki jai. Bhuteshwar Mahadev ki jai. Gopishwar Mahadev ki jai. Chakaleshwar Mahadev ki jai. Kameshwar Mahadev ki jai. Nandishwar Mahadev ki jai. Gopishwar Mahadev ki jai. Panch Mahadevs in Braj, established 5,000 years ago by Krishna's great-grandson, Bhadranava. Very powerful. Bhakti Pradata, many things. Brajvas Pradata. If you want to live in Braj, Shiva will bless you. If you want Bhakti, Shiva will bless you.